Good day, everyone. For today's video, we're going to discuss about syslag or system lagging. Some of the syslag messages inform you of things like interfaces being enabled and disabled. Others indicate major problems with the device, which can render it unfunctional. Also, syslag is a widely used protocol for logging events on network devices, recording events like interface, as I said, um, interface status, change, and routing protocol activities. Lag can be accessed in a real time through the command line interface or stored locally or an external syslag server. For network administrators, understanding syslag is crucial for effective troubleshooting and incident analysis. So here is the syslog message format. Syslog messages adhere to a standardized format which includes the following elements: the sequence number, timestamps, facility, severity, nomi- mnemonic description. So nabanggit here yung severity. There are eight levels of severity from level 0 to level 7. Level 0 is emergency, level 1 is alert, level 2 is critical, level 3 is error, level 4 is warning, level 5 is notice, level 6 is informational, level 7 is debugging. So now let's proceed sa ating Cisco Packet Tracer. So yeah. So now let's proceed sa ating step 1. Connect the R1's console port using PC2. It includes here shut down the G00 interface. After you receive a syslog message, re-enable the interface. What is the severity level of the syslog messages? And last is enable the date and timestamps with milliseconds for lagging messages. To proceed here, let's go sa ating PC2. Click natin. And sa desktop. And sa ating terminal. Then click OK. So, yan. So, as you can see, napasukan natin yung R1. Type natin yung EN or enable para mapunta natin yung privilege exec mode. Then, let's proceed sa ating configuration terminal or the configuration mode. Yan. After that, it said here that we need to shut down yung G00 interface. Type in G00, then type shutdown. As you can see here, makikita natin dito yung severity level natin. Severity level 5. So, it means sa ating documents, the severity level 5 is about notice. Meaning, these are not critical message which require urgent attention. Next step is to enable natin yung date and timestamp with millisecond for lagging messages. Yan. Exit natin to. Sa ating configuration mode, type service timestamps log date time nilicite yan, femicide. Yan. After nyan, let's proceed sa ating G00 interface. Yan, type natin yung shutdown. Yung shutdown. So, yan, as you can see here, makikita na natin yung messages. Pero ngayon is meron na siyang date and time stamps. So, yan. Then, severity level is 5. Next is, let's proceed sa ating step 2, which is configure and enable secret of CCNA. Then configure the VTY lines to allow Telnet and require a password of CSENT to connect. To proceed in this step, let's go sa ating PC2. Exit na muna natin to. Sa ating configuration mode, type enable secret CCNA. Enable secret CCNA. Then type line VTY line VTY 050. Enter. Type here yung ating password. CSENT. Password CSENT. And type login and type transport input terminal. Transport input terminal. Transport input telnet siya. Sorry. Hindi terminal. Telnet pala. So, yan. Goods na yan. Next is, let's proceed sa ating step 3. Telnet from PC1 to R1's G00 interfaces. Then perform a no shutdown on the unused G01 interface. Then answer here is, why does no syslog message appear? Configure R1 so that logging or debug messages are displayed on the VTY lines. Next is go sa ating PC1. Go to PC1. Desktop. Sa ating command prompt. Type natin dito yung telnet 192.168. Ito yung host 192.168.1.1.168. So, yan. As you can see, it required a user access verification. Ang itatype natin dito is yung CSENT. So, yan. Napasokan na natin yung ating R1. Dito, type natin is enable. So, to proceed sa ating privilege and sec mode.